Hi there, I'm Paul Reifenberg, PGA, Director of Golf at Wycliffe Golf and Country Club. Today I want to share with you an addition to our local rules which involve immovable obstructions. The immovable obstructions we get free relief from are fire ant mounds, stake trees, sprinkler heads, newly sodded areas, irrigation boxes, and bulkheads defining hazards. The addition to this is landscaped beds. I'm on our 15th hole of the West Course, and behind the green here, you can see our agronomy team has planted a new landscaped bed. So there's new plantings that are not native to the golf course. If your ball comes to rest in this area, you must find the golf ball. If you do find the golf ball, you're entitled to free relief with no penalty. That free relief is 1 club length, nearest point of relief, no nearer to the hole. So if you find your ball in this area, the free relief may be to the right or the left, depending on where the flag is, no nearer to the hole. If you're playing in a tournament, in stroke play, if you have any question as to whether you're in one of these new landscaped beds, please contact the golf shop. In stroke play, you can play 2 balls and ask a professional when you get in. If it's match play, you must contact the golf shop immediately to get an answer before proceeding with your match. If you have any questions on this, please stop by the golf shop and one of the golf professionals will be happy to answer any of your questions. In the rest of this video, we're going to take some pictures and show which areas are landscape beds and which are not. Thanks for watching this video and have a great Wycliffe day. Here's an example from number 1 west of a free relief area. This is left of the cart path, and as you can see, there's many different plantings along the left side of the cart path. These bushes are not, and these plantings are not native to the golf course and will be played as free relief. We are now on 2 west, and this is a perfect example of an area that is not free relief. These are native grasses. If your ball goes into this area, you have a few options. You can play the ball as it lies, you can take an unplayable lie, or you can replay the shot with a shot penalty. Now as we pan to the right, the area closer to the green is a landscaped bed. There is flowering bushes, there is plantings in there, and it is clearly a well-landscaped area. If your ball goes into this area, again, you need to find your ball. If you find it, you can take nearest point of relief, no penalty, 1 club length. We are now on number 14 west. Here is another example of free relief behind the green. If you look at these bushes, they look like nice plantings. There is mulch in the area. It looks like an area where you shouldn't be hitting a golf shot. If your ball comes to rest in there, free relief, no penalty. Here's another example of an area where you are not entitled to free relief. This is just a mulch tree bed, so it's not a landscaped bed. If your ball comes to rest against a root, that is free relief. But if your ball is just on this bed, play the ball as it lies, or if the tree is interfering with your swing, you could take an unplayable lie.